For those who don't like long threads and are wondering why is this bullish, Jerome Powell shared that Fed decided to not cut rates yet. Markets are still in red today. 13 reasons why my paychecks will be used to DCA into crypto. 1 Bitcoin's holding strong above $100,000, even with all this negativity globally. This shows how much strength there still is in this market. The Fed indicated that inflation is under control, which is already a win. No hike means less pressure on risk assets like crypto. 3 big players are still buying ETFs, especially BlackRock. Quiet accumulation from institutions is always a good sign before things move. For altcoins are flat, not failing. This is the part of the cycle where the smart money slowly builds before things go parabolic. 5 narratives like AI, DePIN, and RWA are evolving fast, and the right altcoins in these sectors are quietly gaining traction. 6 The total altcoin market cap is still in an uptrend. No big price movements, but the accumulation phase is a part of the process. 7 Retail isn't back yet, and that's a gift. When everyone's distracted, it's the best time to position for what's coming next. Wait for your neighbors to ask you about a 10x altcoin. 8 The Fed paused but can't pause forever. Rate cuts are still expected this year, and the market will move before they do. China and EU are already cutting rates. 9 We're in an accumulation zone, not a bear market. Sideways action is boring, but it's also where wealth is built. Bitcoin dominance is rising, showing capital is rotating. After BTC runs its course, alts are next in line to benefit. 1 yield-bearing assets are gaining momentum. Investors are now seeking smart passive income from STETH, tokenized T-bills, and DeFi protocols. 1 To every cycle boring is full of boring phases. People get impatient, sell early, and miss the move. I'm staying focused and loading up. Remember those 6 months before Trump's win took markets to new highs? Next rate cuts will do exactly that. 13 I've seen this before. That conviction pays off. The signs are there. Liquidity may be delayed, but the runway is getting shorter. The Genius Act is set to trigger ISO 20022 compliant digital assets with assigned utility functions on July 14th. If the Genius Act is not fully passed and Trump does not sign it, then there will be nitrogen monoxide currency revaluation recovery. I hope the House acts quickly and passes a clean Genius Act. Get it to my desk immediately. Nitrogen monoxide delays, no ADDons, Trump wrote. Here are the missions tied to each ISO 20022 compliant digital asset. XDC, Global Asset Tokenization, XRP, Global Bridge Payments. XLM, Global Peer-to-Peer Transfers, HBAR, Post-Quantum Security. Algo, United Nations DLT for Education. QNT, Interoperability, SHX, Web3 Banking. ADA, Decentralized Governance, IoT, a digital identity. I hope you got my point now. This is honest now. Are we going to wait or hold altcoins from those hard-working teams working in the space? We talk a lot about community and unity. It's time that we show resilience and don't get shaken out with short-term corrections until the eventual rate cuts.